Do you know that Rema, yes, our popular music sensation Rema, is an Igbo boy? Yes, Rema Bunwa Fibo from Igbanke in Delta State. His dad's name was Justice Chukwuma Ikubo, a high-profile member of PDP party of Edo State before his demise. Igbanke was originally known as Igbo Akere from time immemorial. Igbanke people speak Eka dialect of Igbo and they don't understand Bini language. Yeah. In 2020, Rema's elder brother Chuka died and Rema mourned him bitterly because he shared special bond with Chuka, his bro. Recently, Rema mourned his brother Chuka alongside his late dad, Justice Chukwuma Ikubo. It should be noted that Igbanke was originally called Igbo Akere. Igbanke and other Igbo-speaking communities in Edo State were supposed to be in Delta States with their Eka brothers. But for the action, Governor Samuel Chinedu Ugbemudie, the first military governor of the mid-western states. Ugbemudie, whose surname Ogbemudia, as in Ogbe Mudia, which means my family or compound is this, carved Igbanke into Edo State in 1967 to avoid Igbanke from being attacked during the Civil War. In the book, Blood on the Niger, the author writes, and I read, from time immemorial, the people that are called Igbanke today were known and called Igbo Akere. It was in 1967 when Ogbemudia became the military governor of the Midwest states that he changed the name of the town from Igbo Akere to Igbanke. It would have been unthinkable at that time to reveal that an Igbo man and Igbo town produced the military governor of the Midwest states. Ogbemudia, including the prominent evangelist, Reverend Isaac Idahosa, are all Igbo, and they hail originally from Igbo Akere. Now watch this eye-opening revelation about Rema's Igbo identity by Rema's uncle.
Where we are is Igbanke, Edo State, Oran local government area of Edo State. So let me give him the mic quickly so he can tell us a few things concerning these artists that have been reigning all over the globe.
Thank you, my brothers and sisters. Really, my name is Francis Ikubo, aka Panakia. The music legend's father was my senior brother, and before he died, I grew up in his house in Benin City, Siloko Road, number 128, the house before St. Anthony's Lodge in Dr. Garrick.
Okay, the name of his father, that is your brother.
Yeah, his name is Justice Ikubo, but his real name is Chukwuma Ikubo, but he prefer Justice Ikubo. So everyone know him as Justice Ikubo until his death. Really, the father, this Justice Ikubo, is from Onui Omolo Igbanke. Yes, and he was a very strong man in politics before he died.
Hello, Adioba. Adioba, who are fine?
I'm Francis Ikubo.
Okay, Francis Ikubo. That name is familiar. Ikubo family. Can we know one or two from that family? One or two prominent person from that Ikubo family?
We have the late Rema's father, Justice Ikubo.
You mean Rema the musician?
Yeah, musician, yes.
Is Rema Bini man?
No. From Igbanke.
From Igbanke?
Yes.
Is Igbanke Bini?
At all, Igbanke is from Bini.
So why are we here, sir? Tell us.
We are gathered here rejoicing because we need separation. We need freedom from this Benin. Especially like I said before, each time we go for rally, political rallies, you hear the Benin speaking Beninese. They don't care if Igbanke is there, if we Igbanke are there. You start with Benin and speaking Benin. So it's like we are marginalized. It's like we are dumb somewhere. so they don't care about us. So when this issue came, so I thank God for the initiative. And when this came, we are happy to see how we can go away from Benin and be free in joining our brothers as far as this normal state is on the ground.
Thank you, sir.
Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.